When we're in meetings at the office, often we have supplementary materials we like to share with our colleagues or our clients, something on paper or something in a presentation that we deliver on a screen or on a whiteboard. In a Zoom meeting, you can actually do all of those things as well. It's just a matter of sharing other things on your screen with the participants in the meeting. Let's have a look at how to do that. So here I am in a Zoom meeting, and if I want to show you something else besides this picture of me on screen now, I simply have to go down to the bottom menu where there is a button that says Share Screen. Simple as that. I'm going to click on that and you'll see there's a few choices here. Basically anything that is open on your computer will be an option for you to share with your Zoom meeting participants. So let's say I'm giving a presentation on my YouTube channel. Well, I've got that open here, so I'll simply click on that. If I want to play videos and share the sound of those videos, I want to make sure that is enabled. So I'm going to share the computer sound, and I'm even going to optimize the screen for sharing a video clip, and then I'll click on Share. And here we are on my YouTube channel now. All the participants can see this screen, so as you scroll through and select and play different videos, everybody in the Zoom meeting will be able to see and hear those videos. If you want to stop sharing the screen, you simply go up to the Stop Share button here, click on that, and we're back to the picture of me as long as I have my video turned on. Now, you can whiteboard in Zoom as well, and that's the other thing I'll show you here. If I click Share Screen again, and I click on Whiteboard and click on Share, a whiteboard comes up, and as you can see, I can make some drawings on the screen. If I need to do that to illustrate something, it's very easy to clear that away. Or I can actually add a text box as well, and I can type something on the screen for all of the participants to see, and of course I can clear that away in the same fashion, and we can stop sharing at any time. So it really is that simple to duplicate some of the things you might do in an in-person meeting over Zoom. If you like this video, if you got some value out of it, don't forget to hit the like button below. I'd be honored if you subscribe to my channel here, and don't forget to check out some other videos here as well. All the best.